I've got so much stuff just piled where you can't see. It is, I kind of feel like I'm on the road to being a hoarder. Hey everybody, this is Anna with Adventures with Anna. Welcome back to my craft room. I made my shelves look a little bit neater for you guys. This isn't all that neat, but this is my project bags and stuff. Some of my project bags, not all of them. But yeah, I straightened things up a little bit. But anyway, I need to do something with the rest of this craft room because it is just totally overwhelming for me. I've got so much stuff just piled where you can't see. It is, I kind of feel like I'm on the road to being a hoarder, but either that or I just need to crochet faster. I'm not sure which. But anyway, tonight I'm sitting here and I'm working on this 10-stitch pouch. Remember I said that I bought a zipper. What did I do with it? I bought a zipper last week when we went out of town. This is a zipper that I bought, which I think will go really well with this pouch. But what I'm doing tonight is I took the two sides and I did crochet them together. Of course, not two sides, three sides. The fourth side I'm obviously not going to do because I'm going to add the zipper there. But when I started at one side and I went around, and when I got to this end, I just crocheted however many that I wanted for my strap for the length of it. I actually crocheted 200 chains, and then I secured it on this end over here, as you can see. I did a slip stitch, and then I did another slip stitch or something like that. I can't remember what I did, but I secured it pretty good there. And then this is what it looks like. We have a nice finished chain edge on the top and a nice finished chained edge on the bottom. And all I am doing on my way back around to the other side is going in these back humps of my chain, the little back bumps, which gives it the nice finished on the top and on the bottom. So I'm hoping to finish this up tonight so that I can hopefully get the zipper sewed into it maybe tomorrow night. I don't know. Anyway, that's my plan.